Never wait for a perfect moment. Just take a moment and make it perfect. So, with this motivational thought, let's begin our EVS video. Join your hands and close your eyes for the morning offering. Oh my God, I offer you all my thoughts, words, actions, joys and sufferings of this day. Merciful Father, help me this day that my thoughts may be pure and my conduct pleasing to you. Amen. This week, children, we will learn more about birds. Children, have you all seen birds flying in the sky? There are so many different types of colorful birds. Birds are born through eggs. All the birds have two legs, one beak, and wings which help them to fly. Birds like ostrich and penguin have wings but they cannot fly. They are lightweight because their bones are hollow. They have feathers on their body which helps them to survive in the cold weather. Some birds eat seeds, some fruits, and some like to eat worms. Ostrich is the largest and the heaviest bird. Falcon is the fastest bird. Write the date 28.9.2021. Now write the heading Fill in A E I O W. So today we will do the missing letters of the birds. Now CR-W. Which bird is this? Yes, it's the crow. So which letter is missing? O. CROW, crow. D-VE. Now again we have to write O here. DOVE, dove. O-L. Which bird is this? Yes, it's the owl. Now children, which bird is this? P-G-O-N. Yes, it's the pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Now which bird is this? P-R-T. This bird is the parrot. So we will add A here and O here. So this becomes P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Write the date 29.9.2021. Now write the heading Name a bird which can swim. So children, there are so many birds which can swim like swan, duck, flamingo and all, but we will write only one name here, that is the duck. D-U-C-K, duck. And now children, on the blank page we will draw a duck. So first we will draw the beak of the duck and then the face and the wings the eyes, and then we'll draw water here like this. So color the duck in yellow color. So this is a bird which can swim on water. D-U-C-K, duck. Join the dots and complete the duck and color it beautifully. For the activity children, you need 2 big white semicircles, 4 small white semicircles and 4 small red semicircles and 1 sketch pen for the eyes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you and God bless you all.